Guangzhou Mingyue Packaging Machinery Company Limited is a private enterprise which is mainly engaged in the research and development, design, manufacture, and sale of packaging machines with tablet presses and other equipment. The management motto of our company is, "Develop through quality, strive for survival through quality." Company specializing in the production of full automatic packing machine, granules packing machine, powder packing machine, butter packing machine, puffed food packaging machines, and a variety of multifunctional single-punch tablet machine, and rotary tablet machines, and other related pharmaceutical equipment. Scope of business involves food, pharmaceutical, chemical, pesticide, hardware, toys, and other industries. Supporting strong, can be adapted to the needs of different users. The packaging machines professionally produced by our company are widely applicable to the bag-filling packing for powder, particle, liquid, unusual shaped materials, and small hardware and plastics. The scope of our business involves in the industries such as food, pharmacy, domestic chemical, farm chemical, hardware, and toy. We can meet the needs of different clients.